Happy Sunday! Dito kami ngayon sa, what's this one, Nani? Cafe?
The Marriott buffet breakfast.
Oh, yeah, buffet breakfast. Kasama, is it included ba?
I paid for it.
Oh, really? Extra?
Like, yeah, like I paid for a more expensive deal. But it's cheaper than if we didn't. Like, it's cheaper than if we came here. Yeah.
We're just gonna have a breakfast now before we will check out. So is it 10 o'clock to check out? So we'll check out soon. Yeah, here are the girls.
I'll see myself.
Oh, you wanna have a look at her tooth that's coming off very soon. And babysitting is there.
I'll go bubble it too.
Yeah, I know. Hindi pa yan sila nakapag-ready guys, pero yan lang yung dalang damit. Suotin nila yan mabalik mamaya. That looks good! What do you say you want, Anna? Croissant? There's croissant.
Watch out for the lady.
Yeah, this way. Woo! Oh, Lenny! Apple.
Give me the pass along with the
Time check tayo guys. It's now 3:20 ng hapon and ngayon lang tayo nakapag-vlog ulit. At alam niyo ba? That's because kanina after naming mag-breakfast doon sa hotel, 11 o'clock yung aming out. And pagkabalik namin sa room, gusto ni Ate Paris na mag-swimming tsaka ni Baby Celine. But Baby Celine, na-feel ko na may headache siya kasi yung mata niya ay lumuluha. Dahil siguro yan kagabi kasi late silang nag-swimming sa swimming pool kagabi. Kaya sabi ko kay Daddy Mike, just take Ate Paris and I'll keep Baby Celine. She's here. Just say hi. Say hi guys. Say hi guys. Are you good? How are you feeling, my love?
Sick.
Oh, sick. Don't say so. So, nung pagbabalik ni Daddy Mike, nag-ready na ako kasi dapat sana ay aalis pa kami. Hindi pa muna sana kami. It's slow but na. Hindi pa sana kami uuwi dito. Maglalakad, muna kami, lalabas muna kami. Punta pa sana kami sa isang lugar. Magtingin-tingin ba? But, nakatanggap kami ng tawag from our real estate agent. Alam niyo ba, sobra kami na, na-paranoid ba? Kasi, tumawag sila habang, nag-ready na kami kasi pa check out na rin sa hotel. Tumawag kasi, yung next door daw sa amin dito, tinawagan sila na pasabihan kami na yung smoke alarm daw namin ay very noisy. Like, it went off for some reason. So, kami naman, nag-isip kami, yung smoke alarm ay hindi make noise ba kung walang smoke. So, kami ni Daddy Mike, Diyos ko Lord, I can't imagine kung gaano kami kabilis nakalabas sa... it's charging, anak. Oh. Wait for a minute, okay? Good girl. Kung gaano kami kabilis nakalabas sa hotel. That was so quick. Para kaming fast forward ba? Ganun. Kasi sabi ko, anak, lahat, chinelas, lahat na. Kasi, labas na tayo. So, buti na lang talaga guys, hindi kami malayo din. Kasi, mag-stress talaga kami kung nasa malayo kami. Nasa city lang kami, so, we were around 15 minutes, away. So, pag-uwi namin dito, yung mga bata nakatulog sa sasakyan, si Daddy Mike, pinatakbo ko na kaagad dito sa taas. And pina-check ba kung kasi nag-isip kami ni Daddy Mike sa sasakyan. Sabi ko, what could it be? May naiwan ba tayong kandila or plancha or whatever? Pero kung naiwan namin kahapon, dapat sa kahapon pa. Bakit ngayong umaga lang? So, dumalik siya sa Daddy Mike dito. Tapos, tinawagan ng Daddy Mike. Daddy Mike said like, it's okay, yeah, both smoke alarm dito sa kusina at sa kwarto. They were so noisy, guys. Alam niyo ba, sobrang sharp ng noise ng smoke alarm, diba? Ting, 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 morning, ganun. So, for sure, it's very annoying para sa aming neighbors ba. But, there's nothing wrong. Thanks God naman. No, there's nothing wrong. Kasi, natakot talaga ako ba? Diyos ko Lord, masunog. Oh my God! And, buti na lang, wala. For some reason, like, nagkabuang lang to siya na wala kami dito. Bakit like it went off na time na wala kami, nung nandito kami, okay naman. Pero ano lang siya, siguro sabi nila baka daw yung battery need i-change. Oh, it's working na. Baka yung battery nila daw i-change. So yeah, yun. So hindi na ako nakapag-vlog. Imbis na nag-vlog pa ako, guys. Na-surprise din kami. Sobra talaga kaming natakot. Diyos ko, Lord. Sabi ko, oh my God, we were so happy yesterday. Kasi nga, diba, surprises and everything. And oh my God, what kind of surprises is it now? But yeah, thanks God, okay naman. Wala namang problema. Ewan ko lang bakit nangyari yun.
Mama!
Yes, my love. Okay, Mama help you. So, ngayon, ay, hugas lang ako ng guys, dishes. Itong mga batang ito ay may mga sipon. It's from last night.
Mama!
Bilis. Here you go. And, later on, mag-grocery shopping tayo para sa, this week, school ni Ate Paris, yung mga snacks niya, lunches. Ang ating Ate Paris ay not feeling well daw, so she's gonna have some medicine, yeah? And show them your tooth.
Second teeth.
Yeah.
I can't remember to say teeth.
Tooth.
Teeth.
Show. Yung pangalawang ipin niya, guys, came off today. Ang pag-uwi na.
I put it out.
Kanina sa doon sa hotel. You're so brave, you know? Yeah. Some people, they get scared. But siya, ginanon lang niya, oh.
But as I turning it,
Yeah, it came off.
Brother!
Kasi may isang,
Wala.
there's another tooth growing na behind it. So, it's good na nakaalis na ba? Kasi
It's good that
magdugo-dugo.
it come down.
Yeah. That's right, yeah.
Mama!
Yes, baby girl.
Help!
Mama will help, okay? Mama's gonna give medicine to Ate Paris. Because silang dalawa talaga, naku Lord.
And when I was in the car, I was like sleeping. And we just went to we went to a hotel and we left today. And we also go swimming, so that's why I'm sick, because the pool was cold. They had a spa, but
Did you go to spa?
yeah, but we went to the cold deep pool too, and it was cold. It's very
That's
cold.
why. Ako, wala na akong time mag-pool. Kaya siya, tita, dito.
I can really start but where's the water?
Okay, I'll get you water. Oh! Wow, good job. I'm just gonna open the water. Whew, I'm sweating. Are you hot now?
Cold.
Are you? Wala naman. Have you got a headache? Wala naman masyadong hindi man sobrang init. Good girl, ate. Yung ito ang isa. Tingnan nyo ang isa. Shh. Hi. Hello. I love you, Lini. Love you, Ling Ling. Ang ilong puda ni. Show your nose, be. Show your nose to tita. Oh, gorgeous, go Lord.
We're both sick.
Have that one. And you will feel better. Na, lang to sila, nalamigan lang to sila kahapon ba. Kasi sobrang init during the day. Tapos sa gabi, nag-swimming pa ang mga Serena. Come on, I'm gonna wash the dishes lang. Drink water lang. We're out. Pupunta kami ng grocery store. Ating babysilin, ay bit ang kanyang saya. Binhisan ko man, pero gusto niya yung saya niya. What have you got there?
Car.
Where are you going?
Cake.
Cake, get a cake. Actually, mag-groceries shopping kami, guys. Tapos, naalala ni Ate Paris na...
Don't you like to get the cake?
Yeah.
Mommy come late.
Yeah. So, yesterday, hindi kami nag-blow ng cake. Hi, Daddy. So, are we gonna get cake?
Yeah.
What flavor are we gonna get? Oh, careful.
Whatever's the cheapest one.
Whatever's the cheapest one. Alam niyo ba, kanina, hindi, pagkarating namin dito, walang parking doon. Naubusan kami ng parking. So, nag-park kami dito sa gilid ng daan.
See,
They already sing. Okay. Sige,
I can't even say S.
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 Bring your dress?
Galapos.
P.
You bring your blue dress?
PPP. Wait a minute.
Blue.
Blue dress. Open. Surprise. Okay, go on the other way, anak.
Ma, I think this one was more wobbly than the other one.
Yeah. Careful.
Oh.
Go. Before they close.
Before they close, man. Man.
Sit that on. Merry Christmas! Woo! Pasko na sa kanila, oh. Stars and Christmas trees. Well, we should get Christmas tree, Daddy, eh?
We can put it up when my mum comes up.
Huh?
Maybe you can put it up when my mum comes up.
Oh, maybe, anak, next weekend we should go Christmas tree shopping.
No, we can just go
You know what?
Christmas shopping with Christmas tree as well.
Excited Christmas shopping. Christmas tree only, oy.
No.
Come on, my little princess. Ayun, bundago diyan. Yeah, that's pretty cool, isn't it?
Ooh, I never seen this one.
Come on, ay, dali stealing us na. Koy. Tingnan niyo, wala na kaming may lalagay sa loob. Sila ng dalawa yung laman. Go this way. Oh, I want to get the roti. What's it? This one here?
Number 21?
Roti.
Yeah.
Love that one. Enough na? Sino yung kinakain, no? One more? And that's it.
That's your last stick, yeah? You don't get
Okay.
again.
No more. We're close now, okay?
I didn't have them on.
Because we have cake. Yeah. Put. Mama, give me mama. Thank you, princess.
And I'll
Just,
see what-
mulakad pa man gid. Tomorrow again, okay? Ayan ang mga napamili, guys. Oh, sobrang daming nagbili na limay. Where? Why?
I thought it's finished.
Coconut oil. So, what are you cooking tonight, Daddy? Tacos.
Mine?
Mm.
I'm talking about like recently.
Good job.
Did
Yes,
John
sir?
come in? Oh no, that was okay.
Ha! Dami, hindi na isa-isahin ay. Water, Lingling? Water? We're having tacos for dinner. Taco Bell. Be? Wala, parang wala nangyari, oy. Shall I just chop it back?
Yeah, got it. I'll sit down.
Tiny?
Huh?
Tiny?
Slice it, please.
Maliit naman itong kutsilyo ko. Ang dalawa ay nandun, nanonood. Sa hatching. Smaller than this, Daddy?
That's fine.
Cool. Show you.
Let me start first.
And then yung how do you call that one, Bob? The one on the
Tacos.
tacos. Is that like the, how do you call it? Tacos.
Taco shell.
Taco shell. Yan pala yun. Yan pala yun. Andito, yung binili naming party candles. Kasi si Ate Paris ay gusto talaga mabili ng cake. Gusto niya mag-blow. Ay. Ayan. So, ito yung pinili niya. Rainbow cake. Sabi ko, sobrang laki naman ito, anak. Sayang ba? Hindi naman maubos. Anyways. Ayan siya, Ganyan siya. Paris talking to tita.
Say hi to the camera.
Bungol ba yung tita na? Say bungol.
Ha?
Say bungol.
Bungol. Bungol.
Ay, namingay.
Mingay.
Namingay.
Mingay.
Mamingay ka naman. Tawag dito. Ha?
Here's our cake na
I wanna eat it quick.
Quick. You're talking to my sister, guys.
Happy birthday, vlog!
Happy birthday. We're gonna do the cake now.
What am I eating? Which one am I eating?
I was laying in the bedroom. She's grounded.
Look, lettuce. Here it is. That's Ati. Sige na, sit next to Mama. And this one is having Didi. Ayoy.
Happy birthday to you.
Ready?
Happy
Birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mama. Happy birthday to you. Hip hip.
Hooray!
Hip hip.
Hooray!
Hip hip.
Hooray! Yeah!
Mine, let's play together.
Okay, I'm gonna make a wish first.
Make a wish.
Isa pag grocery.